Most people spend 40 years working hard, waking up early, staying late, giving everything they have, and still retire broke. Not because they were lazy, not because they were stupid, but because nobody ever taught them how money actually works. Think about it. We spend years in school learning history, mathematics, and science, but not a single class on how to save money, how to invest, how to build real wealth. That is exactly why I created Rich Minded. This channel exists for one reason only: to give you the financial education that school never did. Every week I break down why poor people stay poor and what rich people do differently, how compound interest can make you wealthy while you sleep, the psychology behind why smart people make terrible money decisions, how the world's most successful companies and investors build their empires from nothing, and the exact step-by-step strategies you can start using today, regardless of how much money you currently have. No complicated jargon, no fake get-rich-quick schemes, no hidden courses to buy, just real money education, completely free, every single week. If you are ready to finally understand how money works and start building the financial future you actually deserve, subscribe to Rich Minded right now. Your financial education starts today. I will see you in the first video.